In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Dropbox account. If you're moving away from Dropbox or just simplifying the number of services you use, deleting your account is a straightforward process. Before we begin, a quick reminder, deleting your account is permanent. Make sure you've saved or downloaded any files you want to keep because once the account is gone, you won't be able to recover your data. Start by opening a web browser and going to dropbox.com. For the smoothest experience, I recommend doing this on a computer rather than a phone. Log into your account using your usual credentials. Once you're signed in, look to the top right corner of the page for your profile icon. It may show your photo or your initials. Click that to open the menu. From the drop-down, choose Manage Account. This will take you into the account management area where you can adjust various settings. On that page, scroll and click on Account Settings. You're now in the place where you can make changes to your general account preferences. Next, scroll all the way to the bottom of the Account Settings page until you find the option to delete account. Click on that. Dropbox will ask you to confirm that it's really you by typing in your password. This security step helps protect your data from accidental or unauthorized changes. After entering your password, you'll be prompted to choose a reason for leaving. Select the option that best matches your situation. There's also a space to include more details if you want to share feedback. This part is optional, but it can help the company understand why users decide to close their accounts. When everything looks right and you're ready to proceed, click Delete permanently. You may see a brief confirmation message. Simply proceed as indicated to finalize the request. Once submitted, Dropbox begins closing your account. Your files will stop syncing, you'll lose access to your online storage, and you won't be able to sign back in with that account. If you were part of shared folders, other members will keep access to their own copies, but you won't be able to view or change anything anymore. A quick tip, if you had Dropbox installed on your computer or phone, remember that local files already downloaded to your device won't be automatically erased. If you no longer need them, you can remove those from your device at your convenience. And that's it, your Dropbox account has been deleted. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough made the process clear and stress-free.